I tuck my soul along with its wings. Inside a small soapbox under my bed. In its place are white uniforms and a cap. Chasing money trains to purchase their dreams.
Kung iisipin mo, di naman dati ganito. Teka muna, teka lang, kailan tayo na ilang? Kung iisipin mo, di naman dati ganito. Kay bilis kasi ng buhay, pati tayo natangay. O kay tagal din kitang minahal. O kay tagal din kitang minahal.
Yet once in a while, on stolen seconds just like this, for a little air, I gingerly take them out. Feed a little sunlight, dust off bleeding cobwebs. While sewing the edges of my moth-eaten dreams.
Irene! I have something to tell you.
What is it, Tala?
I like Marco, and I want to tell him. But I'm afraid. What if he doesn't feel the same way? I don't want him to look at me differently.
He won't.
What do you mean?
You're a great person, Tala. I've seen the way Marco looks at you. He admires you for who you truly are. If you sincerely like him, then you don't have to be afraid, because you're only true to them. You're missing out on a chance to develop your relationship. I mean, you'll never know unless you give it a try, right? And if he doesn't feel the same way, then just know that I'll always be here for you. Always.
Thank you, Irene. You're the best.
Tinatawag kita, sinusulit